Toying around with my old Xbox. I actually acquired a bunch of these broken ones just to see if I can fix them. A lot of them have capacitor issues, but just testing out the emulator for Vice for the Commodore. I used to be a big fan of emulators. Now I prefer to have the actual legit software, or rather hardware, and then either get like a multi-bootloader. But I mean, for the most part, if you want the experience of the Commodore, it's always kind of cool to see it run on a semi-newer technology 20 years later. Trying out a game here. The only caveat is if you have one of these, you have to push down so you can kind of semi-see the keyboard. And that's where it gets kind of funky. So you have to like press your F1s and your space bars. There you go, so that was space bar. And I believe for this one you have to use escape. Nope. At least I can actually see the keyboard now. I don't see where run stop is at though. That's where I've been having trouble finding it. Enter. There's caps, there's tab. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe it's gonna be F1 or F2. Return to exit. It's right there in front of my face. But it would have been cool to have run stop show up. Keep it legit. There we go. I'm digging it, you know, on my CRT, my classic CRT here that I've had since I was 12. I bought it with my paper out money. I'm digging the, I don't like LCD for classic retro stuff. I really don't. It's got to have that CRT feel, and this screen still does well after all these years. So I'm pretty proud of it. So obviously performance shouldn't be that bad because it's on a 700 megahertz processor, so it shouldn't be that bad. Let's check it out. I wonder why they only came out with this game for the Commodore in Europe, not for the US. I guess us in the US don't get that much love. Or someone just really loved Back to the Future in Europe and they decided to release it. I don't know. Or they decided to pay for the license, whatever. Okay, so I need to I guys swap joysticks or what's going on here? So trying to figure out how to maneuver this thing. So anyway, I wanted to show you guys. I obviously haven't played with the joystick controls too much. Let's try that. Finish the game. Okay, so I guess I gotta answer these questions, don't I? Yes, yes, and yes. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes. Decrunching. I forgot this has the trainers on. Cool. Let's fire, man. I love it. Good old Marty, man. Good old Marty. Let's start the game. So it's obviously joystick 2. What's up, peeps? Looks like I'm back on the 50s or something. Sandwiches. Where's the Cafe 80s? Bro, why are you punching me, man? We just met. Well, there it is. I'm calling this Xbox the Sunkist Edition. I just finished painting it. Put some orange LEDs on there and made the center point LED as well. And yeah, I'm having fun with these. I bought a bunch of broken ones and decided to fix them.